Happy Thai New Year. I am in Bangkok celebrating the Thai New Year, and what makes this quite an experience is that the Thai celebrate New Year with a big water festival. They spray water on each other to wash away the sins from the past year, and I have gotten the biggest water gun I think I've ever seen. I am on my way to Silom Road, which apparently is one of the main areas where people go crazy and lots of people show up. So it'll be interesting to see how the Thai celebrate Songkran. I do expect to get really wet, but the hotel even provided these little waterproof purses, bags, so your phone, maybe some money will stay as dry as possible. Right? It is about to begin, let me tell you. Takes about 30 seconds before you're completely drenched. I mean, people are just having the best time ever. So of course you're gonna run out of water, but there are multiple places where you can buy water for like 10 baht to fill up your water gun. Wear glasses so you don't get water in your eyes. It is 36 degrees, so the water doesn't matter at all. It's actually very nice. If you do need a breather, you can come down to one of the side streets for a drink or food. And then it's back out to the party. Been so amazing. It is just a party where everyone is super happy, and yeah, I'm so excited I got to experience it.